understanding of the Filipino people. Ano po ba ang kahalagahan nitong ating discussion about the delay in payment of claims of hospitals? Because in reality, with all due respect to PhilHealth, marami po akong naririnig na stories of hospitals who have suspended or even stopped certain hospital services. For some, they fully closed. And I even heard stories about employees, health workers who were dismissed because of issues of delay in the payment of claims. So I am apprehensive that our intended healthcare system for the Filipino people might be affected already because of this delay, considering the alarming amount of 59.6 billion. Of course, we acknowledge na nakasandal din po, umaasa din po ang ating mga hospital dito sa claims na natatanggap nila from PhilHealth. And if they will be suffering from delay in the payment of claims, chances are baka ma-derail po yung services, just like what happened to other hospitals who have stopped already certain services, and for some, they even fully closed, no? So, for the viewing public, nais po nating malaman ano ang kaugnayan nitong 59.6 billion na pending claim with respect dito sa mga hospitals na naririnig nating tumitigil yung ibang hospital services or yung iba ay totally nagsasarado na. How true na may kaugnayan ang delay ng payment ng claim sa mga nangyayaring ganito sa ating mga hospital? Mr. Limshaco, please.
Mr. Lim Siaco, you are recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, and magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, Honorable Luestro. Now, in terms of the turnaround time po, when you say turnaround time, ito po yung bilis ng pag-process ng PhilHealth ng claims from receipt, pag-receive ng PhilHealth po, hanggang sa pagpapalabas ng cheque bayad sa ating mga hospital. Ito pong graph na ito, nagpapakita po that year 2018 papunta year 2024, yung bilis o yung oras, yung araw ng pag-process ng PhilHealth po. Kung makikita po natin in the year 2021, pababa na po yung trend ng turnaround time. Ibig sabihin po, in the year 2024, as mentioned po, ay nasa 23.35 days po yung ang araw ng pag-process po ng PhilHealth. Now, ito po nagpapakita yung instruction ng PCEO Ledesma po na ayusin yung sistema sa pagbayad na mabilisan po. Ito po ay aggregated po ito nationwide. Ibig sabihin, may mga hospitals, may mga claims na more than 23 days o may mga claims na less than 10 days po. So yung average niya ay nasa 23.35 days po. Ibig sabihin, yung isang buwan po na turnaround time ng pag-receive ng claims, more or less nababayaran na po ng PhilHealth. Now, pwede po sa before that slide po, doon natin makikita yung claims ng status po. Isang slide po. Before that slide po.
Can we flash again the first slide? Pwede po pakibalik yung first slide. I just want to be clarified, Mr. Limshaco.
Yes po.
Ano po yung figures na nandito sa left hand? 50, 45, 40. What do they represent?
Mr. Chair, that dito sa kanan side, kaliwa, that represents the days po. Mr.
So by
Chair,
50, you mean 50 calendar days?
yes po. And nasa batas po, PhilHealth po ay given the 60 days to process the claims. Meaning po, 60 days dapat hindi po siya lumampas ng 60 days. Yung
For one
pag-process
hospital claim.
sa isang claim po. Opo.
Mr. Limshaco, how about the figures at the bottom? Along with national, 41.4 for 2018. What do they represent?
That figure, Mr. Chair, Honorable Luistro, representing the actual average turnaround time ng pag-process ng PhilHealth ng claim po for that particular year. So meaning, in the year 2018, nasa 41.04 po yung processing time, processing day ng PhilHealth po.
So the average number of days for all the claims that were facilitated is 41.04 number of days.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, Honorable Luistro po.
In other words, the one on the left hand is the actual number of days, and the one at the bottom is the average number of days.
Mr. Chair, Honorable Luistro, itong sa baba po, yun na yung pinaka-absolute na average turnaround time po natin. And then dito po sa kaliwa, naka-range po siya ng +5, meaning kung sabihin natin 41, nasa 41.04 in the year 2018, nasa 40 po, nasa 40 po yung bar natin.
But that represent the number of days as well.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, Honorable Luestro po.